In medical science, we have been using lasers for a long time. And it has proven to be quite effective. By working with lasers, not only in periodontists, but also in endodontists or root canal treatment, and has achieved a lot of success. Let's understand how this laser actually affects on root canal treatment. So, there's a direct effect that lasers have to kill bacteria. That's why it's so good in periodontics as well. But it also activates solutions that we put in the tooth, even water, but some other solutions that activates them, and causes this high energy bubbles. We call cavitation, and that cavitation produces this flushing action. It also goes into areas, tubules and different is in the tooth, because these cavitation are so small, these bubbles are so small. They can get into areas that other modalities cannot get into. And it flushes the action up to areas at the tip of the roots. These weigh 0.1 mm areas and cleans them really well. It's been shown scientifically to do this. A tooth has tiny canal or several tiny canals, and sometimes these canals can be very difficult to clean out. And if you don't clean them out completely, bacteria can remain, and can cause a reinfection at a later date. So it's incredibly critical to make sure that it's sterile, and apparently the laser is one of the thing now that can enable you to make even more certain of cleanliness and stability of the canal. In the canal there's something called accessory canals, which are little and that go offside that sometimes can be almost impossible to see and cleans. But with the laser can help to clean out these accessories. By the way, there is a myth about root canal work being painful. Well, my experience is it's not painful at all. Hope you people like to watch the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.